If you suspect a mold problem in your home or office, a professional mold inspector should be called to inspect the property. The professional will visually inspect your property and may take surface or air samples. If mold is visibly present on any surface, a sample of it may be taken using transparent tape or a specially designed swab. To see if there are elevated levels of mold in the air samples are taken using a specially designed cassette called a spore trap. Spore traps work by drawing in air to collect airborne bioaerosols, including fungi, pollen, and particulates. As the air is drawn in, any airborne bioaerosols present are impacted on a sticky glass slide inside the spore trap. This forms a pattern on the slide referred to as the trace. The samples are then transported to the lab for analysis. The lab technician removes the sticky glass slide from the spore trap, adds a colored dye to make the objects more visible before placing it on a full slide. To analyze the trace, a light microscope is used. Since the mold spores are very small and often clumped together, a magnification of 600 is needed to see them. The entire trace must be analyzed at this magnification to ensure no mold spores are missed. This is the best quality analysis and is referred to as 100% analysis at 600x. Many labs cut corners and analyze only a part of the sample at this high magnification to save time and money. The resulting analysis is thus lower in quality and accuracy. At AEML Incorporated, we always analyze 100% of the trace at 600x, providing the best quality analysis. So insist that your mold inspector uses a quality, accredited lab where 100% of your sample is analyzed at a magnification of 600 to ensure the most accurate results. Once the lab finishes with the analysis, using the flow rate and time at which the air was drawn into the cassettes, mold present in a cubic meter of air is calculated and a report is generated and sent back to the mold inspector. The mold inspector will in turn explain the results to the client and determine if there are elevated mold conditions at your property.